Congratulations on starting the Copart registration process. Once you submit your information, you've created a guest membership. In this step, it's important to decide what membership level is right for you. To start bidding in our auctions, you must choose between a basic or premier membership. Our basic membership allows you to start bidding on vehicles and lets you bid up to $2,000 without a deposit. Otherwise, you'll need to deposit 10% of the total amount you want to bid. For example, a $30,000 bid would require a $3,000 deposit. Our basic membership also unlocks some other benefits to help you make the most of your auction experience, including access to saved searches, the ability to view multiple auctions at the same time, and more. Premier membership is chosen by most Copart buyers. It includes all basic member benefits, plus lets you bid up to $100,000 daily with a refundable $400 deposit due at registration. Premier membership reduces the amount of time spent adding deposits. Once you've decided whether you want a basic or premier membership, enter your payment information and billing address. Then, you're ready to move on to the next step, where you'll upload your license and required documents. You're almost ready to bid on a vehicle. Complete the registration process to begin your Copart journey.